Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you ready to save space and keep your things organized?
It's really satisfying to take this and turn it into this kind of organization with MULISOFT Shoe Caddy. These are size 11 shoes and they fit perfectly. You can even double them up and fit even more shoes. This will be amazing for your organization. I love the fact that it is very wide, very tall for each shoe caddy space, and the stitching is impeccable. I just am amazed. The fact that it has such wide space really helps for anything that you will need. Also, the directions were so wonderful, easy and simple. I put this together in 20 minutes and had my shoe caddy ready to work for our space.
Thanks to MULISOFT, we are organized in our home. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.